I've lost the triangle. Now being a car is to get to it. I need to find the car that's closest.
Okay, so here we got the triangle and car 1 and car 2. So first we're going to have to draw the lines from the triangle to the cars. So we're going to draw straight down the center. We're going to draw the lines off to the cars. Then we're going to put the square on them, the right angle square on them. And then we're going to I'm going to say, since we measured them, the side leading to card 2 is 27 feet. And then the car off the first line coming to card 2 is 2 feet. And now, if we put the hypotenuse in there, when we do the math, a squared plus b squared equals c squared, so we know that much. And we know that 2 squared is our first number, and 27 squared is our second number, and those should equal c squared. So if we square both those, we get 4 feet and 729 feet equals c squared. And if we add those up, we get 733 and we got to square root both of those, and we get 27.1 feet equals C for car 2. So for car 1, I measured that the first line is 18 feet, and the second line is 10 feet. And so we add the hypotenuse in there. And now we get to do the math. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. Now we got 10 squared plus 18 squared equals c squared. And we know when we square that, we get 100 plus 324 equals c squared. And we add those up and we get 424 equals c squared. Well, we square root both those and we get 20.6 feet equals c squared. We'll see. So I chose to use car number 1 because it's the shortest distance from the triangle.
I chose the right car and I got the triangle back. I'm almost home.
Not so fast, Kentucky Jack. The range of this thing is 40 feet. I'll get you.
I'm gonna have to use Pythagorean Theorem again.
The distance from me to the deck is 20 feet. I've got to stay out of range. Okay, so was the second one. We knew that we had to make a right triangle. So we made the right triangle from me to the top of the deck. From me to the deck. Then the top of the deck to the ground. And we measured the top of the deck to the ground as 35 feet. And then from the deck to me was 20 feet. And so we did the math. We're doing the math now. Now 20 squared plus 35 squared equals c squared. Then we do the squared and we get 400 plus 1,225 equals c squared. Then when we add those up, we get 1,625, and we put the square root to that, and we get 40.3 feet equals c. So I knew I was out of range by 3.3 feet.
This string represents the distance between me and him, and according to my calculations, I am further than 40 feet away. So go ahead and take your best shot. Haha, I win.